Welcome back, YouTube. So as you can see, this is looking a bit of a mess. It's well in need of a tidy. My plan now I planned to do this through the winter but never got it done. So my plan is to clean a load of this out. Started painting some of the wood, as you can see here. We're going to paint this black. Got some new bits coming to go on all the back doors. Stay tuned for that, they're not just here yet. So yeah, I want to strip the whole van out. We've taken everything out. We've got mess absolutely everywhere. As you guys might know, in the spring it gets busy, you end up just carrying around loads of crap you use and then don't take back out again. So plan is because this one's painted, I'm going to strip this wall down, take everything out, paint that side, then put everything back in, and then I want to paint that side. I want to paint the whole van black. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the racking. I may get some new racking done, but it is flipping expensive. It's about 750 quid for the racking I want, so I might try and get another season out of that and just paint that for now. Need to redo these trimmer racks because they need sort of bit of batten behind just to push them out slightly, so got some new battens to go in. So this video is all going to be about 2025 van rebuild, and it should be all nice and shiny and glitz and glam and not full of all this crap, hopefully, until we go and do one day at work and then it's trashed again, isn't it? Oh, it's a bit dusty. Another thing I have got to go in the van is a big rubber mat made to fit the floor, so it won't be all just ply lined, it'll be rubber, so if something does leak or it gets wet I can just blow it out or get an Ego vacuum and vacuum it up. Don't know about you lot, but I do not spend my life sorting this van out. I wish I did have time to do it, but I don't because of the kids, and when you finish work on a Friday I should spend my time sorting the van out, but I don't. Leave that one in, it's pretty solid for holding the shovels. Got a bit of Milwaukee pack out there that haven't really been using, so if anyone does want a load of Milwaukee pack out in Surrey, hit me up, I'll have a load of that for sale. Got loads of these, I think about 3 or 4, maybe even 5, load of other bits. So I've done a bit of painting without you lot. So last time we were sort of covering all this lot. Done the backboard there. This side's all done. Going to get some screws in there just to secure the wood. Stripped all the racking off this side. Painted all there up to the shelving. So I'm going to get the shelving out now. Get some of that painted. I might move that small one over to this side. because the new Ego mower doesn't slot underneath there, so it might make sense to have that shelf there. Right, we've got another helper, Olivia, over there.
Whose phone is that? Is that your one?
That's fine, that's alright. So I think we might put this one. There. And I might get a new rack in for there, which is slightly longer. Not too sure yet. It takes a bit of jiggling round. So I think next job is, let's get these mowers out. We can get this one out. So as you can see there, it definitely looks a lot better all black. So let's blow this out, get this all painted, get painted along here. You can get the new flooring in. I have to admit as well, I'm not the biggest fan of painting, but when this is all done, it should look really good. So we've got my helpers painting now, haven't we, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah. Has anyone got any paint on them yet?
Oh yeah, on my pinky. No. On my pinky.
On your gloves. That's all right.
I don't like the blue. Oh.
So now we'll finish painting. All the walls are black, apart from that one. I might get a black sheet to go across there. Did try paint a bit. I'm going to see how that turns out, and then I might paint that bit. So, plan now, get this flooring out, get this new flooring. This should hopefully make it look really good, because the floor is now letting it down. Oh, it's the fucking wrong thing. Brilliant. Lunch has arrived, hasn't it? What we got for lunch?
KFC!
Better feed you, hadn't I? Right, we've got a slight problem here, guys. Rubber matting's gone in. I need to lift this up. It's too short. This is for my van, and it did cost a fair old amount of money, but I'm not really sure I want to try and post this back. So I think what I'm going to do is just put this down and maybe get a strip of AstroTurf or something else along there. This is going to get wrecked with all the machines and all the kit, or I'll see if they can do me just a strip and then I'll have a little join in there. But yeah, it's not ideal, but that thing weighs a ton, so to get it shipped back and changed, I need this van ready and loaded. With Saturday now, I'm back to work fully on Monday, so I can't really take all the racking out, all the tools out to get the flooring in again. But we've got one last bit to fix. It's here. So we can start this now. We've had a delivery from Wild Industries, and we've got all these panels to basically go on the van here, and then you can clip their attachments onto this. So let's get this stripped down. So you can See, it's all cut out, it's all got the ring made in, so probably, oh, don't take it back off. And then basically what we're going to do is attach that on. There we go, perfect. So it does add a real nice black look. You could probably put this over the top of the wood if you really wanted to. Now we'll get some self-drilling screws, get these panels in. That is that, it's really good. Really like that it all comes cut out. You haven't got to mess around with that. I did think, oh bloody hell, I'm going to have to cut a hole out there. I don't. So let's get that one on there. Start with the bottoms. As you can see, their logo on here, real nice black, well made bit of kit. Now, I mean, you could screw the whole way round, but I don't think it's going to need it, if I'm honest. We'll see if it falls off though. Right, so with this system, what we've got is basically all these, he does all these different things on the website. These will then clip on, put stuff in, different sizes. He's got these, which I think for us gardening community is really handy because you can put your wolf cart and stuff in. Just like so. It's probably not the easiest thing to get in there. It will hold it. We've got some hooks. And we've got like a cable holder, or maybe this would hold a sprayer or some sort of tool. Goes in there like that. Don't try this at home. Really nice that. Feel like I'm in a bit of a prison though. So yeah, once again, all these drawers, you can fit any slot you like on these. So you could have that there with all sorts in. What we'll do, we'll get that top one up now. So we're back, all drilled in, looking lovely. Now all the attachments and the bits that you buy are going to be specific to what you actually want and need. So yeah, he sent me a couple. Wild Industries once again, thanks for sending these bits out. I will get a few bits in here and then probably get a few more bits ordered. I'm hoping that I'll be able to cover one of these in sort of all the wolf garden bits with these attachments, or maybe it will hold a rake on there, probably put the drills and bits and bobs like that, everything that you need to hand and you don't want to be rummaging around in the back of the van. But yeah, that is the Wild Industries panels. I'm not actually sure what they're called, but go check those guys out. So I've got just the tool that I always lose in the van and out on site. This one will be going in there. As you can see, really neat. That will stay in there, so I'm probably going to get a load of them ordered and get all the little bits and bobs out there. We'll find something, we'll probably be able to use maybe this side and hang the coats on one of these hooks. This one you can put cables or maybe an empty sprayer. Probably work. We'll try that if I've got one empty. There we go, so you could even hang your sprayer on the door like that. gets it out of the way. Could probably, he's quite into the custom bits. I did ask for some can holders. Now he does one which is like 4. I'd prefer like 2 on this side and 2 on that side. So I might be able to get him to make me a big flat plate, and then I can have both the sprayers on the back doors held on with this. Not sure how this would hold with 15 litres of water in it, but we'll see. I'll do the testing, don't you worry. So yeah, that has been the Wild Industries system for the back doors of your van. You can take this out if you wanted it. You could move it up there, you could put it on the other door, you could put it wherever you like. So please go and check these guys out. That has been the end of the van rebuild for now. Haven't done anything with the floor just yet. I'm kind of just living with it. What I'm probably going to do, if I can get, let's say, 1,000 likes on this video, we'll do a full van tour and show some of the equipment I've got me behind there. I've got some brand new Ego bits that no one else has got out in the field. So 1,000 likes on this video and we'll do a van tour and a bit of a kit tour with the lawn care bits, the powered by Ego, etc, etc. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.